Hello everyone, welcome to a special edition of Sembang Marketing Tech at Tech in Asia. Aku with Khalil. Okay, salam dulu bro. Okay, so I know it's been a bloody tiring 2 days.
Yes,
Tech in Asia,
correct.
you've been talking to tons of people. Everybody coming to your booth. Yeah,
Alhamdulillah. Yes.
Okay. So now tell me, what has been the overwhelming impression that you have of Tech in Asia after 2 days?
Okay. So since it's our first Tech in Asia as a booth participant and a participant.
So you've been to as a delegate before?
As a member, even as a member, no.
Okay, so first ever lah.
Yes, for Tech in Asia. But I know of Tech in Asia.
Of
I
course,
know the impact. Kan? So being here at the regional conference, Tech in Asia conference under AWS.
Yes, alright.
That's important.
Ni kena sebut betul-betul kan?
Yeah, because we are here because of them.
Okay,
that's that. A lot of networking and good reconnecting with local founders.
Okay.
I really appreciate the opportunities these 2 days. These 2 days.
It cannot be just founders, right? Who else did you meet?
Okay. Good thing about Tech in Asia, they pull the VC crowd, the regional VC crowd here. So, especially today, we receive a lot of inquiries from the VC space that 1K. Send me your deck, how much you just like just now.
Just now you were talking to a VC, is it?
Yeah. Local.
Cakap, kita orang pun boleh introduce ourselves.
Local, there was a local fund.
Okay.
So VC is more important for us because we're fundraising. But I think the reason why a lot of VCs are coming today is because day one on stage at the AWS session, Memang Mesotica was mentioned by name.
Okay, so they give you a shout out lah.
Yes,
as
a very powerful shout out lah. Even I also tak tahu. It was surprised. I was surprised.
Nice. Yes. I mean, tell me what were the key things that these VCs were saying? Okay, I like what you're telling me. I like what you're showing me.
Sure.
So what were maybe the top 3 or top 2 yang really impactful? Because there are tons of startups here, right?
Sure.
Of course, some of them left already, so we can't see them right now. But I'm sure a lot of AI-powered tools as well. So what is it that is making yours stand out?
Okay, good. Stand out. So, a majority of the regional Gen AI startups, they are working at the product level. It's product-led lah. The innovation is product-led. We started as product-led as well, using OpenAI APIs last year. Right? Our first POC is GPT 3.5.
And when you say last year, when?
March 2023 until December 2023.
So March 2023, we can say is another era altogether.
For us, yes.
For AI.
Because we are only building an application and we depend on OpenAI last year. So in December 2023, that's where we launched Malam.
Okay, alright.
So Malam is our replacement of GPT and it is localized.
Okay, what does Malam stand for?
Malaysia Large Language Model.
So ini GPT Melayu. Do you get this a lot?
GPT. Am
I wrong to say GPT Melayu?
Okay, but because it's better to say GPT Malaysia lah.
Malaysia.
Because bahasa Melayu, English, Tamil, Mandarin, Jawi, and some dialects dah covered.
Alright.
And it's all local, local Mandarin and local Tamil. That's a different decision.
Because local Mandarin is definitely different than Chinese Mandarin. That's what I know.
Yeah, betul.
Plus the Chinese communities, they talk a mixture of Hokkien, Hakka, Cina, segala kan. And then cakap Melayu pun, Melayu Kedah lain, Melayu KL lain. Dialects. I mean, those are kind of slangs or dialects.
So that the umbrella problem is bahasa Rojak and bahasa Pasar.
Okay.
This is where our uniqueness comes from. Tapi this is only for Malaysia lah. If talking to the VCs, when they ask how big is your market, that is a tough question to answer if you only Malaysia.
All of them ask the same thing.
Yes. I understand you want to raise $5 million US, but are you talking just Malaysia? It cannot be.
We're too small.
Yes, that means we are pushed to find an answer for how do we go beyond Malaysia. And Southeast Asia lah paling dekat.
I mean, is Southeast Asia enough of a value proposition?
As the start.
Okay.
Because once the business says yes, we are Southeast Asia, then the burden is on the tech to deliver Southeast Asia.
Of course lah. But in terms of VCs, because they're very strict in terms of why they want to invest, to whom they want to invest.
The repeat numbers yang saya selalu tanya is the total addressable market for what our tech is kan. So this is something yang it's, even for me right now it's challenging lah to come up with a number that I'm confident with the references. Because whatever term yang ada from outside is really a a worldwide Gen AI investment punya number. Kan? It's like how do we go into the region?
Okay, but okay, we've talked about 5 minutes already.
Oh, okay.
And we just went straight into maybe give us a one-liner to those who are not quite familiar with Mesolytica yet.
Okay.
What is your value proposition, yang especially when you say there's a Southeast Asian application even? What is it that you want to offer the market?
In the short term, to stay relevant and winning at our size right now, kita focus on two. That means localization. That means coming back to the language, multilingual in country together with the dialect. That's one challenge already. One unique proposition. Then number two is the privacy. Data, talking about all this AI, the worry about data leaked out luar Malaysia.
Okay.
This data governance. So for enterprises, this is very, very important.
Data governance.
Data governance. Yeah.
I've heard you use the word data sovereignty.
AI sovereignty.
AI sovereignty.
Yes,
okay.
correct. So the AI sovereignty being concept, if I elaborate, is the ability in country to control our AI development. Both on hardware and software.
So just to put it in really, really layman's terms, kalau we want food security, maknanya kita kena tanam beras kita sendiri.
Yep.
So when it comes to AI sovereignty, maknanya kita kena ada LLM kita sendiri.
Kita boleh train our own LLM at any size.
Okay.
And then we are using we control the hardware as well. Maknanya yes, we might buy the cards from Nvidia, but the assembly of the supercomputer can be maintained by local talent.
Okay. So in
that could be one that could be one way of interpretation lah.
Okay. In terms of TIA, we're here in Tech in Asia. And you've been to other Tech in Asia before?
No, this is my first.
This is you're like virgin for Tech in Asia.
But I've been following the Tech in Asia newsletter for the longest time, ever since 2016. Yeah.
Well, I can beat you there because I went to the first Startup Asia in 2012.
Yeah.
The guy you know from Genesis, and we've seen them grow, and we know how important they are to the ecosystem, and for them to come to KL is a big deal for me because for the longest of time ada sedikit sombong lah tak nak datang KL kan. So now they're here, which is I think is great for our local startups.
Yeah. I mean with the whole AI narrative from the government, from the world of course, and for the government, and then all the recent announcement pasal data centers. I mean maybe the talents is the ability to get talents, AI talents can be centralized here. Yes, you can work for a Singapore startup, but they would rather pay you in ringgit, right?
Yeah. I mean, it's okay. No harm there. But I think it's about critical mass lah. I think that's what you're saying. By having these events, by having a lot more startups involved in the system, in the ecosystem, we can build up the critical mass for
Malaysia. Maybe this one before this, doesn't really matter to me because we are Malaysian focused kan. So all these regional punya events, we're not going venturing outside Malaysia. But because of the opportunity given by the big tech, in this case post Nvidia dengan AWS, my mindset, the next step, and then terpaksa lah when we talk to the VC kan, I don't want to hear Malaysian market. I want to hear the bigger regional market. This event helps to open up my personal network satu, and also regional view.
I mean, no more this jago kampung lah. Even though you're Malaysia centric, but you are still having a regional outlook. Okay, nice.
Yeah, correct.
I think we're going to be wrapping up soon, but let me just ask you, out of the many startups here, ada tak any of them yang kind of pique your interest or even blew your mind, macam wow, these guys are really making it happen?
To be honest, these 2 days I'm either outside, I'm either here, I'm entertaining people, entertaining questions, or meeting people outside just to network, because it's to network kan, to create new contacts, to promote malam, to get new collab, because just now another Gen AI startup came and asked, when can we use malam?
So you're finding customers here as well, because
potential partners lah, potential collaborators, because they're working at the application level in a very niche segment. Okay, I don't have the ability to go all segments. I just focus on improving the engine.
This is where, to educate our viewers a little bit, maybe even myself, when you talk about AI powered solutions, they are the level yang ada engine based, the LLM based like yours,
foundation models,
but then you have those that apply it with certain use cases and
very
certain niches. So that one they will be plugging into yours.
My number one advice to all these Gen AI startups yang asking about our engine is like, first, you be comfortable with OpenAI API first. Right? Then you will, when you come to us, you already have a set of questions that can you solve our problems.
You know how it works and doesn't work,
because
then you can come to Malam to
Yes.
see how the perfect solution
because
can.
once they build for OpenAI API, and then they want to use us, it's only a single line that they change.
Right. So my last question to wrap up, Khalil.
Yes.
What is the next big thing for Mesalutica?
Okay. Okay. I think see, I cannot go into detail, but
alamak.
talking about the AI,
Confidential.
talking about the AI sovereignty punya topic just now. So in recent weeks, we presented to Kementerian Digital.
Kementerian Digital.
Kan? Wabi Gobin.
Kan?
And then they asked for a proposal of, hey, I have this idea. What is our proposal to the government if we want to implement?
Okay.
Kan? So after reviewing with the NDAT team, make some changes. Yesterday, I submitted officially.
Okay.
So if there is, of course, I'm expecting some changes to the proposal, and timeline-wise, budget-wise, it's fine. Hopefully, I can make some good announcement.
Okay.
After that lah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
It's been lovely chatting to you, my friend.
All right.
Okay, brother Khalil.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone for staying with us for this impactful 10 minutes.
Oh.
See you next time.
Okay.